And I miss you. And I miss you. And I miss you.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we did a little demonstration with the new bright Silverado Trail Boss metal body, and for the most part it On grass surface, as you've seen, it runs great. On concrete, it runs great. On blacktop, it runs great. On this gravel, it had a little problem with the turning. The turning radius isn't that great, but you know, for beginner RCs, it's okay. It did all right on the dirt pile. You just have to get it up to speed for the big hill and try to get it going. But for that real steep hill, just not enough power for it. The four-wheel drive, it tries, but once it gets to a certain point, it's a wrap. But for the most part, this is a blast. You can have fun with this RC. So for the price, you get what you pay for. And for four-wheel drive and a little bit of speed, you get a little, you know, like a little hill, dirt pile. You can have a blast with this car. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to take it out again. I'm going to do some jumps with it. So stay tuned for more videos on that. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to let us... hit that notification button so you can know when we post new videos. And follow us at no.pros.rc on Instagram. You can get the inside scoop before YouTube. And yeah, I would recommend this for $49.99 at Walmart. So shout out to New Bright for giving this to me to do a review on it. I really appreciate that and look forward to doing more reviews on their RCs. And as always, y'all be easy. Peace.